Spa, how are you? Do you have the Bali love? Woo. Do you have the Bali love? Woo. Is this new? Yeah? Yeah. This is a new bar. The bar. Very, very beautiful. Let's just come round here into the Nest. Hello, good evening, ladies. How are you? I had to come and say hello. Do you have the Bali love? Woo. Some of the necklaces and things there, earrings. There's the Warung coconut tree, quite busy inside of there. This is shoes, snakeskin also. Sunglasses here at Donna Spa. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around about 7 p.m. I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Danau Tamblingan. So in my previous video here in Sanur on the main street of Jalan Danau Tamblingan, I walked from the Artisadana supermarket through to the Soya Japanese restaurant / the street of Bumiayu. In tonight's video, I'm going to be picking up from that point and walking from Bumiayu, or Soya the Japanese restaurant, all the way through to the Icon Bali shopping mall. So as I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in all the hotel accommodation options, all of the restaurants, all of the shops, and just give you a general idea of what you can expect from this section of street here in Sanur. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night stroll here in Sanur. Okay, so here's the start point for this evening's video, the Soya Japanese restaurant where we finished the last tour. There's the street of Jalan Bumiayu down there, a few accommodations down there, and we're going to be heading in this direction in tonight's video. So just on the next to Soya we have the EJJ coffee corner, a nice inside seating area there, some seats out here. Just moving on from EJJ, we have, I won't pronounce that one, it's a clothing shop in the back there, mini mart convenience store, Bottle Avenue, beer, wine and spirits there, and then here we have Alla Luna, Luna Gelato. There's a seating area inside there, and gelato ice cream at the back. We're going to be heading along this way. A few tourist goods shops across the street, Tattoo, Holy Ink Tattoo Studio, Terang Silver Bali there. So we don't have really anything on this side of the street. I'm going to cut across. Okay, so we're just cutting across to the other side of the street. We have Chic Salon and Beauty Studio here. L'Oreal Professional Gold Roll. It's a lady in there having her nails done on her feet. Cheeky Monkeys Learning Centre here. We have the Warung coconut tree here. So there's the Warung coconut tree, quite busy inside of there actually. Full with tourists. We have the 88 chicken here. There's a few customers inside there as well. 88 chicken. Things on the menu. So you've got some idea of the prices of the happy hour and the hat and wines as well. 38k, small bintang, 28k, reasonable price. And then just here we have Donna Spa. I'm going to go across the street first of all before we go to Donna Spa. So there's some customers just waiting now. We're just going to head across the street first of all just so I can show you Donna Spa. And we have the Basaki Beach Hotel here. So I've featured this in a video. I shall add the link in the description. It's down through those big gate entrance there. And then just turning across or turning around, there's Donna Spa, relatively new spa this in Sanur. Just while we're waiting for Donna Spa, I'll just give you a look down the street where we're heading, and then we're going to cut across the street. Hello, good evening, Donna Spa. How are you? Do you have the Bali love? Whee! Customer there. Here's some of the treatments available here at Donna Spa. Nails, hair, all available here at Donna Spa. They have packages as well. Come and see this lady here. Oh, we can have a see inside. It's a very, very big spa inside that. There's customers in there as well. Customers on the other side of the street there. Very nice. So just to my left here, when we get round these people, we have a place called Ollie Baked Goods. It's already closed, that one. Vin's Boutique Leather coming up in Panama. These are sandals in here. I'll show you the name so you can see it for yourself. In case I'm pronouncing it wrong, some people get a bit knocked if I pronounce something wrong. So we have Vin's Leather Boutique here. Some nice goods in here. Jackets, handbags, purses, shoes, snakeskin also. Wallets, some nice looking handbags there. Shoes as well. Some nice sandals. Snakeskin sandals. Some nice bags. It's all there at Vin's. Okay, so there's a look at Vin's. We have some more tourist goods shops just there. The shuttle bus is going down, and I've just crossed the street to pick up this place, Tanjung Sari, Cape of Flowers. I have featured this in a video a long time ago. Very expensive, nice hotel that. There's the driveway leading down to it. One of our tourist goods shops there. Let's just go and cut across and see what they've got. Some tourists walking along on the street here. Ooh. Car's beeping at me. So he's got all the handbags, glasses, shoes, of that nature in there. Lots more in here as well. There's all the sports shirts and things in this one. And sandals as well there. Bintang, Adidas, Lacoste. Some nice caps as well. Sunglasses. Shop there. So here we have a Kuma Pharmacopoetic. This is the biggest pharmacy here in Sanur, just in the back there. And just from Kuma Pharmacopoetic, we're going to head back across the street. We have Blink by Kapalot. We have a small spa as well there. This is a very nice jewellery shop. This Blink by Kapalot has some beautiful jewellery pieces. Some of the necklaces and things there, earrings, rings, and jewelry stuff available here. Some nice stuff inside. Blink. Very, very nice stuff in there. It's all out at Blink by Kapalot. Have Bali Spa Royal here. Hello, good evening, how are you? Here's the hot deals. Packages there. And then we have the hotel. I can't remember the name of this one. We'll just cut back across. Oh, Scape Hotel. I have featured this a very, very long time ago in a video. It's called the Scape Hotel. It's actually just in the back behind the Kuma Pharmacia. And then we're going to just cut back across the street. We have the is it Maids? Yeah, Maids were rung here. Maids Bar and Restaurant above there. There's a few customers in there. I'm not going to go too close. Beef tenderloin. And satay. And menus here. More tourist goods shops across the street there. And then here we have the gazebo. We'll cut across, we'll have a massage spa there, which is the Booking Soon Wonder Beans. This is the gazebo hotel. Featured this in a video a long time ago. It's just down there. Okay, just from the Gazebo Hotel now, we have the pavilion there. We'll show you that in a moment. We have a massage spa here as well. I'll cut across and say hello to the girls at the massage spa. This is Asti's Feeling Well Massage Spa. Hello, good evening, ladies. How are you? Do you have the Bali love? Woo! Is this the good spa?
Yes.
Yes, the best in Sanur? Yes, the best in Sanur. Asti's Feeling Well Spa. There's some of the price lists and the treatments. Some packages and things available as well here. Want to see the ladies there. And then here we have Ocean Bar. Just say Ocean Bar. Hello, how are you? Is this new, yeah? Yeah. This is a new bar. The bar area there. With a pool table in the back as well there. Very, very nice. Come and see this lady. Hello. Special of the day. Oh, you serve food as well, yeah? Food on the menu. All there at Ocean Bar. And then this is the pavilions here. It's just down there, the pavilions. Kayusugi Palace. It's down the same entrance, the bamboo entrance going down there. Hotel Gazebo across the street there. Just continuing on down the street, we have Swin Homestay. So it's there. It's just down that little side street there. Shintia Spa, that's already closed. Oh, let's go and have a look at this one. So this looks like an entrance to, I've seen this from the beach side. Lumari now open. Wow. A nice place. And that's going to be heading down towards the beach down there. Okay, just coming out from Lumari now. So we have a jewellery shop across the street there. A coffee shop that's already closed. We have PJ's Tattoo Studio there, or PJ's Tattoo 2, Emma Spa as well. We'll go across there in a minute. And then just here we have the Respati Sanur Beach Hotel. I've featured this in a video also, she'll have the link in the description. It's just in there. And then we just have one more thing on this side of the street and then we'll cut across. We have the Nest Boutique Spa. There it is, the Nest. Just come round here into the Nest. Hello. And there's the Nest Boutique Spa just in the back there. The Nest Natural. It's a very good spa, this one, the best spas in Sanur. Okay, so just from the Nest, I want to cut back across the street. We're going to say hello to the girls at Emma Spa. There we go, Emma Spa. Hello, good evening, ladies. How are you? I had to come and say hello. Do you have the Bali love? Woo, the Bali love. Whee. Is this the good spa in Sanur? Yeah, the best. Yes. That's there at Emma Spa. Thank you, ladies. Have a good evening. Just continuing on down the street. How do you know? Okay, just met some subscribers there to the channel from Japan. So we have a market area down in the back here. We have the PT Jiringeu money exchange. It's already closed. Still have tourists on the street. The Nest across the street there. And then now we're coming to the Icon Bali Mall. This is Kaluma. Wow. It's very, very busy inside Kaluma Sanur. Very, very nice. We have some music on in there. Wow. Look at that. Full restaurant. Hello, how are you? Good, good, good. Sunset sip. You too, yeah? Can I have a look at this, yeah? We have so it's Kaluma Sanur. The grill night here. Meat and seafood. How are you, brother? You good?
Hello.
Looking at the food there. They're all preparing here. Wow, very nice. It's very, very busy inside the restaurant. Okay, so just next door to Kaluma, we have the Tamukami Hotel. I've featured this also in a video. I'll add the link in the description. It's just down that driveway, nice driveway entrance there. They also have a restaurant as well there at the Tamukami. You can see the Icon Bali now. We'll just continue walking down the street and we're almost at the end point of tonight's video. So there it is, the Icon Bali. So I'm just going with the suitcase there. We have a Laura Villas, Semarandana, Mona Homestay, Ascareia. All down that little side street there. Just next door we have Warung Samping. Wow, busy in there as well. Quite a few customers inside of there. Warung Samping. There's the Icon Bali shopping mall. Very, very beautiful. Little home decor shop here. Some nice stuff in there. Dream catchers. Many things in there. Brand new villa. Bedroom. Telephone number if anybody's interested in that one. And then here we have Warung Baby Monkeys. Wow, busy in there as well, Warung Baby Monkeys. Lots of Western tourists in there. Very, very nice. We're just going to walk to the end of the Icon Bali. Oh, Bali's Antique. Wow, this is a new shop. Lots of kitchenware, all the wooden bowls and things in here. Wooden plates, cooking utensils. We have Vindaka Homestay here. Just in the back there. Sagara Ink Tattoo Studio. We have the Savannah Hotel here. I shall just turn around, Circle K here, Savannah. I've featured this in a video also. I shall add the link in the description for this place for you. It's just through them doors in the back there. And Leopold, which is a ladies' boutique clothing shop. We have a money changer here. There's the exchange rates on the board today, Friday. A food cart here. We have Dang cookies in the back here. These are meant to be fabulous cookies. Haven't actually tasted them yet personally. And here we are. We're sort of like, I'll just take you down to the swastika. We have deco here. I think this is connected with the swastika. Not too busy in there, a few people. And then here we are, we have Swastika Guest House. I've also featured this in a video, so I'll add the link in the description. And that's just up the stairs there. And then there's the Icon Bali. This is where we finish tonight's video.